we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to use the profiles in Adobe Lightroom. Let us add a new image. I've already done that. You can do it over here. You can browse your folders, or you can simply switch the view, just like this, and then drag and drop a new image into your album. I've already done that, my Lightroom Beginner Tutorials album, so I can't cancel it. Afterwards, click below, just like this, to return to the editing view. Now we'll go to Edit. E is the short key for that. And you find Browse All Profiles on the right. And when you hover around the profiles, you can already see the effect applied temporarily. If you want to choose it, you'll just have to left click. So there are a lot of profiles to choose from. Let me pick this one, Artistic. 04 for example. You can change the amount, so the original would be this on the left side, and then you can add more and more of the effect to it. Want to return? Just double click on the circle, it will be set to 100 in this case for the amount. And you can add it to your favorites if you like specific profiles best. Just click on back and you can see your profile is still selected. But there are no adjustments made, so adding a profile is not like adding a preset. The presets would adjust all of this. But when we have a profile, we can still adjust the settings, play around with the lighting for example. Let me go down with the highlights. I'll add a little bit of contrast. The whites are too high. You can also just let Lightroom do the work, click on Auto, check the results and then adjust it further. Let's just say you've got a great adjustment found for yourself, but you want to change the profile. Simply click on the drop down, browse all profiles and add another profile. Let me pick this one. And if I now go back, you can see the adjustments are still there, but they are now applied to the new profile. It is a great way for beginners to add good looking, you could almost say filters, to your photos and make them look good instantly. Click on the settings down here and you can reset it to the original anytime. And this is everything I wanted to show you about the profiles in Adobe Lightroom. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.